there, I'm Heather Gill, local realtor with eXp Realty here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I'm talking to the wonderful Jenna Zebrowski. She's the principal attorney and owner of Law by JC. Hey, thank you so much for being on with me today.
Always, Heather. Glad to see you again, too.
Yeah. We had a question come through TexasElder.care, and the question is this: how do I avoid probate? Fill us in here.
Well, there's the yes, but, or the no, however answer, right? So in this case, and we're talking about Texas, you don't necessarily want to avoid probate. A lot of people think it's expensive, complicated, it has to do with a lot of stuff. In Texas, it really doesn't. I won't give you the whole law school lesson, but if you go back historically, Texas was a rural, its own country for a while, and a rural state. So there weren't a lot of courthouses and places to go to get things done. So in order to help with the orderly passing of property and assets, probate was streamlined. It's really an efficient process, especially if you have the appropriate documentation. So what I would tell this person, generally speaking, because of course I haven't evaluated your specific situation, but there is no need to go out of your way to avoid probate. If you do choose to avoid probate, the way to potentially do that could be through a trust. However, during your lifetime, trusts do come with tax and other financial consequences and have to be maintained. It may be a good choice for you. It may not be the best one to reach your goals. I can't be real sure without looking at your specific situation, but I would say, generally speaking, for the average person, don't go out of your way and spend a lot of money on your estate planning documents to avoid probate. What you should do is invest wisely and get your documents done properly so that when they do go through probate, it can be done efficiently and at a cost-effective manner.
Okay. So not necessarily avoiding probate, but just doing what's best for your situation, it sounds like.
Exactly. Depending on what kind of assets and the tax bracket you're in and what your goal is. Are you trying to do generation skipping? Are you trying to protect assets from certain things? What is your goal? And that will help us decide if avoiding probate in your case is a good situation, or if probate is going to be more favorable to get the results that you want. But just as a blanket rule, I would not advise just spending a lot of money to avoid probate, because that may not be the best way to reach your goals.
Okay. So in this case, one size does not fit all, it sounds like.
Exactly true. Welcome to the practice of law in the state of Texas.
Right. So Jenna knows what she's talking about. She's a professional in this field, and she can help answer those questions and help get that stuff put together for you by evaluating your situation. And you can reach her through her email, or if you go to her website, you can book a no obligation appointment where she'll spend some time, evaluate, and give you some tips and tell you what you need to move forward. So definitely reach out to her with your questions. Jenna, thank you so much for being on today.
Always a pleasure, Heather. Looking forward to the next one.